Hello friends, I'm Darshan Kumar Das. Also welcome back to my YouTube channel Shadow Bytes. Finally, I have successfully converted my existing Python project, which is face recognition based attendance monitoring system project, which is having the mail sending feature. That project I have converted to an EXE file, and today in this video I am to showcase my EXE file that I have converted from my project. So, and by the way, if this video reaches 1000 views and 30 likes, then I will also make a video of how to convert a Python project to an EXE file so that you can easily run on Windows without the need of having any Python modules. You can easily run in your Windows system just by a click, or maybe to some extent you will be able to run on Linux system as well by doing some bypass tricks. But anyways, today in this video I'm going to showcase my EXE file that I have converted from my existing Python project, and also I have added some features about which I am going to say in this video. So without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, before showing you, showcase my EXE file that I have converted from my existing Python project, let me show you how the EXE file looks like, basically the interface. So I have taken the screenshot of it. So this is how the EXE file looks like. Here you want to enter your ID, then your name here, then click on take images. Your images will be taken. After that you need to click on save profile. Initially you need to create the new password. After creating, you need to click on save profile again, then you type the password you have created, and then here you need to click on take attendance to take your attendance. And if you want to send your attendance to someone, then here you need to type your email or anyone sender email from whom the mail will be sent, then your sender's email password, and this is not the normal email password, it will be basically the app password. And then from here you can you have to write the what you used to say, the recipient's email ID, the email domain, then click on send attendance, and your attendance will be sent. And if you want to delete your data, then simply you can use these buttons to delete all the Excel files and images and all. So yeah, and by the way, if you want to change your this UI password for saving the new registration, then you can change it from here by clicking on the help icon. So yeah, that's it. Now let's continue with the video. So guys, for sending email, you need to have two-step verification on your email ID. And why I am saying you need to have two-step verification, because that's needed to create the app password. How to create the app password, that also I am showing. So open Google Chrome or any browser, then visit your Google account, and then you click on manage your Google account, and then click here on the security. Then you need to type app. Okay, then you need to go to this app password section. Now you need to create the new app password. You can write any name, but for now I am writing Frams at present. Then you need to click create, and yeah, you can see the password is created. Here, this is the password which you need to use. Simply copy this password, Ctrl+C copy, and save it on notepad or any txt documents file like this. Word. Now this section is not necessary anymore. Okay, so we have created the app password. Now it's time to showcase you the EXE file. So I have saved the EXE file in my local disk D drive, and here I need to know this. Yes, 2.0 EXE file. This is the EXE file that I have created. And by the way, as I've said initially, that if this video reaches 1000 views and 30 likes, then I will definitely show you how to convert an existing Python project to an EXE file. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, the EXE file opens. So now I'm typing my name, typing my ID, the name. Now click on take images. Just the process is just similar to what you have seen in my previous videos. It will take some time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now click on save profile. As I have said earlier, that you need to generate your this UI, this interface password. So I am writing in a password. So I have saved may written the password. Now you need to click save profile again. This is just the initial step. If you once save the profile, then you need to do this again. Just click on save profile, then type your password that you have just generated, press enter. See, the profile is saved successfully. If by any chance you need to change your password, I mean you want to change your this UI password, then click on this help icon, then click on change password, and you can change your password later. But for now I'm not showing that procedure because doing all those things will make the video unnecessarily long. So yeah, now click on take attendance to take your attendance. Wow, see, the images attendance is properly taken. So yeah, that's it. Let me take attendance again. Oh, by the way, you need to press Q to stop taking the attendance further, because that automation I haven't implemented yet, that without pressing Q your attendance will be taken and saved. I'm sorry to say that I haven't created that implementation yet. So this is the backend folders and all. In the training image you can find the registered images. Then in the student details, you will see the CSV file. You can see attendance, you can see, and to see the time, just stretch it, time and date. You can see this time and date as well. No need to save it. So this is it. Now it's time to show you how to send the email to the one whom you want to send. Now just click on the copy your app password from here, then paste it here. App password is pasted. Now type the email address of that smartechmagic@mail.com. This is the password of this email, the app password of this email. And now click on type the email address whom you want to send. For my case, I will be typing my first email ID. Domain is already, this is @domain is already gmail.com. So now just click on send attendance. Will take some time. Yes, attendance report sent successfully. And now let's check the email and see if it works or not. So I will be opening my email. See, this is the attendance I have sent just now. You can see the time. Its time is mentioned, date is mentioned, and today's attendance report, date and time, everything is mentioned. And this is the CSV file which you can see, and the subject is like something like this. So yeah, this is how you can use the EXE file. And by the way, I forgot to say one thing, that is link to download this EXE file zip will be given in a description below, from where you can easily download and test it on your system. And basically want you to test it on your system and give feedback. Based on your feedback, I will update the code more properly, better, to so that each and every requirements are meet. I can meet to each and every requirements. So yeah, that's it. I'm closing it. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and hope you have liked this video. And as I have said, if this video reaches 1000 views and 30 likes, then I will definitely make a video of how to create the EXE file from existing Python project. So that's it. Thanks for watching. So that's all about in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shadow Bytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it. And on the bell icon, select all to watch latest coding tutorial videos before anyone else. So once again, thanks for watching. And by the way, as I've said in the beginning, and also while making also while showcasing the EXE file, that is, if this video reaches 1000 views and 30 likes, then I will also make a video how to convert an existing Python project to an EXE file, so that you can do this on your Python projects as well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.